Many PVs and Amazons are let down by the fact that when the steering coupling or the steering box has been out of the car, the assembler can't be bothered to reassemble it properly, and therefore it loses its centre horn push, and you find all sorts of strange switches located around the dashboard to compensate. Now, it's not too difficult. It is messy, and here's why. As I'm sure you probably already know, the horn wire comes from the steering wheel all the way down the centre of the column and comes out the end here in this hole out of the forward plate. However, in so